He's alright. This is the director's chair.
Okay, girls. So I think we're gonna get started. So our birthday girl's name is Harper, right? Okay. And I'm Miss Faith. I'm gonna be doing your makeup.
And my name is Claire, and I'll be doing y'all's hair.
And I'm Elise, and I'll help you guys get dressed.
So what you're sitting on is what your skirt, and we have a white t-shirt for you, and then all the jewelry and head crowns you're gonna have on after we do your hair, okay? So who wants to go first for makeup?
Oh, come here, Harper. Who wants to get their hair done first?
You come down here.
I saw your hair done first.
Oh, you gotta come down.
What's your name?
Nice to meet you. Pop up here.
So, what I'm going to do with your hair is I'm going to give you a bow, but it's made out of your hair. So you'll see in a second. It's really
Look at my foot.
What color are you wearing?
Yeah, you can go ahead and start. You want to go first?